everyone and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 6 DIYs that you can do, like last minute DIYs that you can do like in 5 minutes or less. Super easy, and you can put them on your kitchen to decorate your home, maybe your whole cocoa bar station or something like that. They're super easy using Dollar Tree items and things that I just have around my home. I really hope that you like them and that you enjoyed today's video. Make sure that you give me a big thumbs up if you like them, that you are subscribed to this channel. And guys, if you don't know, we have another channel just on my home. I'm going to leave you the link in the description box because we're posting every single week over there, like all of the moving process, the behind the scenes, how our house is looking right now, our new house, and I'm so excited for all of that. So make sure that you check my other channel just on my home. The link is going to be in the description box, and let's get started. That you're ready because I am. Let's DIY together. Okay, for this project you are going to need taper candles. This comes in a set of 2 from Dollar Tree and they come in a bunch of colors, but because it's Christmas I'm going to be using these red ones. What I want to have is one taper candle bigger than the other one or taller than the other one, so I'm going to cut one of them with a knife. Now, you can do so many things with taper candles, and if you want to use them on your kitchen, a really cool DIY that you can do is maybe to use a ceramic cup and put the taper candles inside, and it's going to look really good. But this time I decided to use the ceramic white colander that I have at home, and I think I got it from Hobby Lobby. So what I'm going to do is to use these to put my 2 taper candles, and I'm going to stick them. I'm going to be using hot glue. It's gonna work just fine, but you can use maybe like E6000 or a stronger glue. Now, to cover the colander and to secure my candles, you can use some rocks or stones or something heavy to put around your candles and inside of the colander or container or vase that you are using. I'm going to cover everything with the stones, and then you can add some greenery or foliage for Christmas or maybe berries or something like that. And it's super easy because you have your stones inside. Everything is going to hold on really well. Once I was done, this is how my project turned out, and I think it's super cool and a great idea to use in your kitchen now for Christmas. For the next project, you are going to need one of these glass containers or jars with lid, and you can use these now for Christmas to create like a hot cocoa bar station or something like that. But if you are running out of time, I'm going to show you a simple and cool hack that you can do that is going to save you some money and time. So what I'm going to do is to add like these sprinkles that I just have at home and that I want to use now for Christmas, but I want to add something cute and special on these to make it more festive now for Christmas. So I found these really cute hats that come in a set with like a costume for dogs. This is actually a hat for dogs, but my dog doesn't like it, so I thought it could be a really cool idea to add these on the lids of my jars, and it fit perfectly. You can add some hot glue and stick these on the lids, and it's going to add a really nice touch. Now they have different ones. I found like this elf hat too for dogs, and I'm going to be using that one on another lid. I'm going to be using the same lid of that jar, but I'm actually going to change the container for this glass cylinder vase from Dollar Tree too. I'm going to add some pieces of chocolate that I'm going to use for some treats now for Christmas for my kids. I'm going to add that, and then I'm going to stick the elf hat on the glass lid with some hot glue, and that's it. This project is done. Super easy on a budget, and you can even do this with your kids to have the perfect hot cocoa bar station in minutes. I got this huge colander at Walmart for less than $10 and I really like it, and I thought it can be a cool idea to use it now for Christmas. So let's decorate this calendar. You're going to need like a piece of foam because we are going to be putting some Christmas trees inside of this calendar. So you can stick that inside of your calendar, and then you're going to need a small Christmas tree. You can use the ones from Dollar Tree, and you want to insert that in your piece of foam, and you can use one or two depending on how big or full you want your tree to look like. But because I have so many of the mini trees from the Target Dollar Spot from last year, I decided to use those, and the project is going to have like a better look or high-end look. It's a little bit more expensive to use the ones from the Target Dollar Spot, but I already have them, so I'm going to use them. I'm going to stick that inside of the foam, and then I'm going to cover all of the foam and everything using these wood pieces from Dollar Tree too. I have these for years now, and they are going to add a really nice and beautiful touch on my project. It's going to add more texture and color and natural elements. Once the part is ready, you can add some ornament, like very small ornaments on your tree, but I decided to go with these bells from Dollar Tree. They come in different colors. These ones are the gold ones, but I decided to use ones that I already made or paint using some wax, and I'm going to insert the bells into the branches. You maybe can add some like jute cord or something like that, but this way actually works pretty fine. Now the final touch, you can add a towel on the handles of these calendars. I'm going to do that, of course. And that's it, this project is done. I really like this project and how it turns out, and all of the colors and textures and the high-end look that it has, and it was so easy and fast to make. For the next project, I'm going to be using one of these wood signs from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using the Christmas tree. I removed the tag, and I'm going to be painting these. You can use any color you want, maybe red or green or gray, something like that. I really love the wood texture. So I'm going to be using some wax in antique color. I really like to add water on the wax because it's easier to paint and the color is going to be lighter. Once I paint my sign, I'm going to use a napkin to remove the excess of color and water. For the next step, you can use maybe your Cricut or you can print something, but I'm going to use paint, and instead of a brush, I'm going to be using a pen. I'm going to add the paint into my pen, and I'm going to start writing the word cookies. This is one of my favorite hacks to do because it's so much easier to write or draw something on your projects. And I'm going to be doing the same thing on these ceramic jars that I have. I want to make like the whole set that says cookies and milk and carrots for Santa, so my kids can put these under the Christmas tree on Christmas Eve. On the picture, I'm going to write the word milk, and on the other jar, I'm going to write carrots, and I can use these, put them on my kitchen, and it's going to look so good. And once it's December 24th, we can put these under our Christmas tree. It's a super easy DIY that anyone can do in just minutes, and you don't need your Cricut, just some paint and a pen. The next project is super easy, and you can use it on your kitchen or in any part of your home. You're going to need one of these wooden crates from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to start painting these. Like I said, you can use any color that matches with your Christmas theme this year. I really like the wood texture, so I'm going to be using some wax in antique color with water to make it easier to paint, and the color is going to be lighter, and I'm going to paint the whole piece of wood. Now, just to add some texture, I'm going to be using some flour, and you need to make sure that the paint is still wet. so you can add the flour and it's going to stick pretty well. Or you maybe can add like a clear coat with spray paint or something like that. I don't have anything at home right now, but it's a great idea that you can do to make sure that the flour doesn't go everywhere. Now you can add so many things inside of your crate, but this time I'm going to be using the mini brush Christmas trees from Dollar Tree. They come in 2 different colors and sizes, and I'm going to add a bunch of them on my project. As a final touch, a pine cone on one side, and my project is done. Super cute, on a budget, just in minutes, and it's going to look pretty good on your kitchen or maybe on your bathroom or any part of your home. For the next project, you can run to the kitchen section and get one of the bowls. They come in different colors depending on the season, and you are also going to need some candle holders, and they have a bunch of them that you can use for this project depending on which one you like the most. Now you can paint everything in just one color to make it match and make it look like one piece, and then you're going to need some of these foam balls that you can get on the Crafty Square section, and they come like 2 or 3 on the package in different sizes. So I get a few of those, but instead of using the ball from Dollar Tree, I'm going to be using this one that I just have at home, and I think it's from Hobby Lobby too, that I got on clearance, and I'm going to add the foam balls, and you maybe can add some greenery or foliage just to make it look perfect now for Christmas. You maybe can add like a lid, and it's going to add a really nice and fun touch on your kitchen or in any part of your home. Super easy DIY that anyone can do using the foam balls from Dollar Tree that are going to look like snowballs. My loves, I hope that you like and that you enjoyed today's video. Super easy DIY, perfect to decorate your home or your kitchen now for Christmas and make your house a little bit more festive in these holidays. If you like them, please a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, that you follow me on my social media pages, and that you check my other channel, Just on My Home. All of the links are going to be in the description box of this video and every single one. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye.